How to fix lag in Blox Fruits on mobile. First, open Roblox. Once Roblox is open, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen and go to Settings. Next, select Device Preferences. Scroll down and disable Haptics, then enable Reduce Motion. After making these changes, go back to the main menu. Now, launch Blox Fruits and join the game. Once you're in, tap the Roblox logo in the top left corner and open Settings again. Scroll down until you find Graphics Mode. Change it from Automatic to Manual. Then lower the graphics quality slider to 1 or 2 for the best performance. These settings should significantly reduce lag and improve your gameplay experience in Blox Fruits on mobile devices. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials.